Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick head comparison review between these two AI brainstorming tools, which is Capacity and Affine Pro. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Capacity shines for personal knowledge management and with its clean structured workspace that auto-link ideas, which make it great for students, creators and researchers who want to organize thinking without much setup. The pros include the intuitive navigation, spaced repetition memory tools, and beginner-friendly onboarding, but it cons are limited mobile support and a few advanced collaboration features, which may feel restricting for teams. Then talking about Affine Pro, on the other hand, offer a more powerful all-in-one workflow note, document, whiteboard, and database, which make it ideal for teams brainstorming, planning, and presenting in one place. Its pros include the real-time collaboration, visual layout, and a strong customization, but the platform can feel heavier and has a steeper learning curve, and some features still feels developing, like they need more development. So if you want a simple structured idea organization, choose Capacity, or if what you want is collaborative and visual thinking, just go with Affine Pro. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.